साथीहरु स्वागत छ तपाईहरुलाई सिडिपिटिएसमा। हाम्रो च्यानललाई लाइक र सब्स्क्राइब गर्न नबिर्सनुहोला र सँगै रहेको बेल आइकनलाई दबाउन पनि नबिर्सनुहोला ताकि हामीले सबैभन्दा पहिले अपलोड गरेको भिडियो तपाईको सामु पुगोस्। सदाझै मैले आज जावा प्रोग्रामिङको थ्योरिकल कोर्सलाई अगाडि बढाइरहेको छु, जसमध्ये आज टपिक छ जावा प्लेटफर्म। Java. There are four platforms of Java, four edition of Java. First one is Java SE भनेर, जसलाई हामीले Java Standard Edition भनेर पनि भन्ने गर्छौं. And it is a Java programming platform. It includes Java programming API such as java.lang, java.io, java.net, java.util, java.sql, java.math, etc. And include core topics like OOPS, stack, exception, inner classes, multi-threading, etc. And the next one is the Java EE, Java Enterprise Edition. It is an enterprise platform which is mainly used to develop the web and enterprise application. It is built on the top of the Java SE platforms. It includes topics like Servlet, JSP, WebServe, etc. And the next one is the Java ME, that means Java Micro Edition. It is a micro platform which is mainly used to develop the mobile applications. And the next one is the Java FX, and it is used to develop the rich internet applications, and it is used light and the history of Java is very interesting. And Java was originally designed for the interactive television, but it was too advanced technology for the digital cable television industry at that time. The history of Java started with the Green Team, Java team members, also known as the Green Team भनेको Java team members. And however, it was suited for internet programming. Later, Java technology was incorporated by the Netscape. And the principle for creating Java programming were simple, robust, portable, platform independent, secure, high performance, multi-thread, architecture neutral, object oriented, interpreted, and the dynamic. Java was developed by the James Gosling, who is known as the father of Java, in 1995. James Gosling and his team members started the project in the early 90s. Currently, Java is used in the internet programming, mobile devices, games, etc. And there are given significant points that describe the history of Java. Now, feature of Java. Let's start the feature of the Java. The primary objective of Java programming language creation was to make it portable, simple, and secure programming language. Apart from this, there are also some excellent features which play an important role in the popularity of this language. These features of Java are also known as the Java buzzword. and the list of important features of Java are given below. First one, simple, and the object oriented, portable, platform independence, secure, robust, architectural neutral, interpreted, high performance, multi-threaded, distributed, and dynamic. Let's describe these features. Simple. Java is a very easy to learn and its syntax is simple, clean and easy to understand. According to the Sun Microsystem, Java language is simple programming language because किनभने Java syntax is based on the C++ and Java has removed many complicated and rarely used features, and there is no need to remove the unreferenced object because there is an automatic garbage collection in Java. Next one, object oriented. Java is an object oriented programming language, and everything in Java is an object. Object oriented means we recognize our software as the combination of different types of objects that incorporate both data and the behavior. Like C++, Java is also object oriented language. Object oriented programming is a methodology that simplifies the software development and maintenance by providing the some rules. Some basic concept of the OOPs are object, class, inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction, encapsulation. Next, start the next topics. Platform independence. That is also the feature of Java. Java is a platform independence because it is different from the other languages like C, C++, etc., which are compiled into the platform specific machine, while the Java is write once run anywhere language. A platform is a hardware or software environment in which a program run. There are two types of platform: software based and the hardware based. Java provide a software based platform. The Java platform differ from most other platform in the sense that is a user based platform that run on the top of the other hardware based platform. It has two components: runtime environment and the API application programming interface. And the Java code can be run on the multiple platforms, for example, Windows, Linux, Mac, etc. And the Java code is compiled by the compiler and convert into the bytecode. The bytecode is a platform independent code because it can be run on the multiple platform, that is write once and run anywhere. Next feature, SQL. Java is the Java is best known for the security. With the Java, we can develop the virus-free system. Java is the secure because no explicit pointer. Java pro Java program run inside a virtual machine sandbox. Class loader. Class loader is a Java Class loader in a Java is a part of the Java runtime environment which is used to load the class into the Java virtual machine dynamically. It adds the security by separating the package for the classes of the local file system from those that are imported from network sources. Bytecode verifier. It checks the code fragment for illegal code that can be violate access the right to the object. And the security manager determine what resources a class can be accessed, such as reading and the writing to the local disks. Java programming provides this security by default. Some security can be provided by an application development explicitly through the SSL, JSS, or cryptography, etc. Robust. Robust. Robust implementing the strong. Java is the robust because it uses strong memory management. There is a lack of pointer that avoid the security problem. There is a automatic garbage collection in a Java which run on the Java virtual machine to get rid of the objects which are not being used by the Java application anymore. There are exception handling and the type checking mechanism in the Java. All these points make the Java robust. Next features, architectural neutral. Java is a architectural neutral because there are no implementation dependent feature. For example, the size of primitive data type is fixed. Like in C programming, int data type occupies the 2 byte of memory for 32-bit architecture and the 4 byte for 64-bit architecture. However, it occupies 4 byte of memory for both 32-bit and the 64-bit architecture in a Java. Next features, portable. Java is a portable because it facilitates you to carry the Java bytecode to any platform. It does not require any implementation. And the next features, high performance. Java is faster than the other traditional interpreted programming language because Java bytecode is close to the native code. It is still a little bit slower than the compiled language. Example, C++. Java is an interpreted language, that is why it is slower than the compiled language. Example C, C++, etc. Distributed. Java is a distributed because it facilitates user to create the distributed application in Java. RMI and the EJB are used for the creating distributed application. These features of Java makes us able to access file by calling the method from any machine on the internet. And the next features, multi-threading. A thread is like a separate program execution concurrently. We can write a Java program that deals with many tasks at once by defining multiple thread. The main advantage of multiple threading is that it does not occupy memory for each thread. It share a common memory area. Threads are important for multimedia, web application, etc.